Hey folks, welcome back to second part of Hampi video. In this video, I will show you more of Hampi's UNESCO sites and temples. Hampi has two main parts. The part where the temples are and right across the river which you see is the hippie village. I have reached the Hampi main part. You can see the temples there. So there's a ferry which will take you there, but I'm just trying to figure out if there is a way through which we can walk and go, because I can see people walking. So let's see. See, these are pebbles which are found on lakes. So I think currently the water level is very low. That's why we have the option to walk and go through this place. Just realize one thing. Till here we can walk on land, but from here we have to cross this. It's just knee deep. Crossed it. Got wet a bit, but yeah, it's fine. Crossed it. They are making like proper steps and slopes. It'd be nice if it's having a bridge also. Oh wow. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh yes. Bazaar is here. Temples are here. Oh, this is. Oh yeah, they do have shirts. The black one looks nice. So, one update about the hippie market is, so there was hippie markets which was run by hippies folks from different other countries, but around 2020 when the pandemic happened, all those were shut and those people had left. Sad, right? Now there are markets, but not proper hippie stuff which you find in Goa and all. The temples are visible from here. That's the statue of a Nandi. Nandi is a cow. And there's a shivling there. Before you enter a temple, ensure you remove chappal or footwear. And yeah, that's the shivling. This is hundreds of years old, right? Maybe even thousands. At that point of time, how do they build this? Like, how is it humanly possible with limited tools and technology to build this? Aliens. Yeah. Boulders, yeah. For the foreigners who are watching this, it's a tradition in Indian temples to get blessings from elephants. It's considered to be a very sacred affair. Right when we just finished the Mandir Darshan and we were coming out, and look who's coming this way. The elephant boy. Elephant boy is coming this way. Do photo.
Coming this side, I see.
This is the map of Hampi. We are here, Hampi Bazaar. It's called Stone Car. This is where we are supposed to go, right?
Yes, Vittal temple.
Vittal Temple. It was too late to see Vittal Temple. It closes by 6 p.m. So we decided to go there the next day. We went back to our resort, ordered food and a couple of drinks, and called it a night. So it's day 2 in Hampi. I am going to a river. I'll have to cross the river by maybe a Coracle ride or something. Then go towards the other side of Hampi, basically where you see the temple and all. And you would have seen these uh, temples which basically have this cart. So I'm going to see that place now. So our ride for today is the same on the Navi. And there's an African twin here at 1250 GS. Not very difficult climb. It's looking very nice.
Yes.
What a vibey place this is. Wow. Oh, these were the pillars he was talking about. These pillars which you see here are the remains of a bridge which existed back in the 15th century during the time of the king's rule. So the Coracle ride plan failed because there's a lot of people and there's less drivers. The Coracle boats are there. So what we have decided to do is walk. That side water is there, this side there is no water. So hopefully we'll be able to walk and go. We'll start from here.
Yeah. Chalo.
I forgot to show my new shirt bought from Hampi. It's 450 bucks. See, the pillars of the bridge was here. These are the pillars in the center. That's from where we started. Remember showing that temple? Like, can you believe at one point of time this whole place was covered in water? There used to be water here. These are proper boulders which are found underwater.
There's a lot of wave there. How will you cross from there?
Keep walking.
So we are trying to figure out a way to cross this river. Right now we don't know how. We came from there, that hill you see.
Plan failed, guys. There is like a steep waterfall there which we won't be able to cross because it's pretty steep. Other way is going through this, but here also it's pretty steep from here. And we went back all the way to see if the Coracle ride was free so that they can take us to the other side of Hampi. And glad they were free. They charge 200 rupees per person to take you to the other side. Whereas if you opt for a 1 hour cruise, they charge you 800 rupees and take you around for sightseeing.
उधर यहाँ पे है मैडम,
हाँ
थोड़ा उस तरफ चलो, डिस्काउंट सर्विस आता है।
ठीक है।
उधर बोट नहीं जाएगा क्या?
हाँ,
बोट नहीं जाएगा?
बोट नहीं जाएगा सर। कन्नड़ तेलुगु तमिल आता है सर तुमको?
ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಇರ್ತಾವ ಒಳಗಡೆ,
ಹಾಂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
ಡಿಕ್ಕಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ನೀವು
ಹಾಂ. I crossed the river, came to Hampi, and I came across this place. So it's written here, it's a wish tree. This is the tree, it's a sacred tree where people come, tie like a rock or something, and it's said that the wish would come true. So the people who have kept the rocks on top of each other are the ones who wants a house. Chalo, let's go. Vittal temple, 500 meters. Yes, this is where we are going. Vittal temple. We crossed the river, reached here. We came on a coracle halfway because there was water. We didn't want to get in the water, and I kind of felt like there could be crocodiles here in this lake. People were saying there's no crocodile, but government has put this: beware of crocodiles. That means obviously there are crocodiles, but still people are taking the risk of getting in the river. Especially these are areas where it's pretty deep. The one which I did yesterday crossing, that was literally not deep at all, and you can see what's in the water. But these are pretty deep. Not worth taking the risk, folks. See the structure here. Wow. It's partly broken down on top, if you see. Oh, monkey. Okay. So for entering Vittal temple, you need to take a ticket. It's just 40 bucks per person. So I was standing in the queue without that. After reaching there is only when I realized there's a ticket. Done? So Archaeological Survey of India, Group of Monuments, Hampi. That's the ticket. Let's go. Many of you would have seen this on the 50 rupee note, Indian currency. So basically this is a monument in Hampi, and this is the monument. Close enough. This what you see here is the actual Hampi, the archaeological remains, the buildings which are from the 1500 BC. It's a different experience altogether. Let's go see more of this place. What all is there? Let's try to explore a bit inside of the temples. And guys, please make sure that when you're visiting these temples, don't touch these walls and all, because these are very old, so it shouldn't get decomposed, it shouldn't get affected because we are touching it. Be a smart tourist. Guys, it's a beautiful experience to be inside of 500 plus year old monument. So I'm going down the steps. Oh wow. This is like Rome, an Indian version of Rome. And the way the Romans have Greek gods, we have our Hindu gods. See the detailing on these. See how detailed the structures are, the statues are. Let's see what's inside this. All these structures are numbered for some reason. Let's go see what is inside. Oh, that has fallen from top. Oh, wow. See this? What you see here is something which has fallen from top. Zigzag shape. This has fallen from top of this place. So that is one more reason why not much tourists come inside this one. Right away, bringing to you offbeat travel places, unexplored places. So please do subscribe so that you can see more of such type of places in and around the world. So guys, that's about the Hampi temples. I think I'll go back now, relax, and maybe go towards the sunset point in the evening. So let's roll. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. And please do let me know your comments down below. And if you wish to watch such content, stay tuned to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Take care.